Hey guys, welcome back to Mom Likely. I hope you guys are enjoying the new uploading schedule so far. Today I'm going to just take you through with me as I decorate my wall. So I'm doing basically like a DIY farmhouse collage wall. I pretty much collected everything inexpensively from Walmart, Dollar Tree, Menards, Meijer's, all different places as pieces from a little bit here, a little bit there. I've been hoarding these things for like a couple of months and it's time I just finally get them up on the wall. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, so they had 3 different sizes at Meijer, and I'm sure at various other places as well. But these are the 3M command bands that I got. They're damage-free wall hanging, and they have 12-pound ones, 3-pound ones, and 9-pound ones. So I have a variation of sizes of items that I would like to hang. So I got all of them, and then I just got a few extra of like the medium, the 9, right here. And this piece right here, actually, I got to do a DIY with, but this needs to be painted black and then glued on here. So I'm not going to paint this black today. I don't know where my spray paint is. So I'm just going to get this hung up on the wall just to get an idea, and then I can always just add this later. Okay, as we all know, I'm not very good with judgment here or measuring and stuff like that. So I tried to just eyeball it and put it up there, but I'm noticing that something's a little off here. So I ended up going to get the level and just to try to level that out. So just so you know, I did originally have a plan for this wall to do like one of those Scrabble tile DIY with the names of the family, which I seen on Pinterest, but I bought the wood, I didn't have them cut it, and then I just never got around to doing it. So I basically just gave up on that and said, you know what, screw it. I'm going to go ahead and just put this stuff up and see how it goes. So when it's all done and as a little bit of time passes and I add the little family logo that I need to paint black, I need to add a H at the end to one of the little boards, and then I need to put a photo in the frame at the very end. So once that's done, I'll see how I feel about it, and I might move some things around and look for 1 or 2 more pieces. And I can always just add the Scrabble tiles if I get around to it later, seeing as I use the 3Ms, and it shouldn't be a big deal at all. So tried to avoid getting a hammer, but looks like I gotta go get one. I'm really happy with the results. I hope you guys like it. I've been hoarding these items for a few months now, so I'm glad they're up and on the wall. And this is my first time decorating the wall, so I'm sure it will change, but I'm pleased with how it looks now. I also changed my tablescape because it was just too much.